guys, it's Healer again, Saturday Night Stitch. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today I wanted to show you the way that I have set up my sewing room so that I can sew standing up for reasons. Okay, so come on through. Over here, this is my sewing cave. Tra-la-la-la-la. It's actually clean, which is quite unusual, but I am trying to work on creating an identity of somebody who keeps their sewing cave and sewing room tidy. So over here, right, is my main sewing station. So I've had to ditch using the vintage sewing machines for a while at least, and I've used an old hamper box, and it's an old wooden box over here, and I've got the sewing machine set up on here so that I am able to sew like this. In order to improve visibility, when I'm actually sewing, I use the tilt table, which for storage purposes I don't actually keep it on here because I'm a little bit nervous about leaving it, and the children also come and play upstairs, especially doing hide and seek and stuff like that, and I'm just a little bit nervous. But I'll use the tilt table, and that makes it a little bit more ergonomic so that I can actually see as I'm sewing rather than having to sort of like bend slightly. So this is how I've set it up. I always use the overlocker standing anyway, because I only have the one. I used to have just the one chair that would be parked over here, and when I use the overlocker, I would be standing by the overlocker. And obviously the ironing board station is a standing station, so it's quite fine. And I have the table over here, which I've used to cut out smaller pattern pieces, and that's it. So that is my standing workspace, and I have to say it's been absolutely brilliant. I've enjoyed using it standing up, that I'm seriously considering actually keeping a standing workstation even after I recuperate and I'm able to sit for long periods of time. But another thing that I just wanted to show you that I've added some vintage posters into the area just to give it a little bit more make it a little bit less utilitarian, and I just love it. So that's it, guys. That is a quick tour of my adapted sewing area so that I'm able to do some sewing standing up and, you know, feed that little monster that loves to do the sewing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you very much. Please hit the like button and subscribe for new videos every week. Until I see you next time, guys, happy sewing. Bye.